I was never someone who liked cooking. Do you know, I was the person that was eating super noodles and ready meals. But what I did love was baking. I loved working with sweets, jelly sweets, hard-boiled sweets. From a young age, I'd be making those at home in my kitchen, so that was something that I really enjoyed doing and I kind of knew how to do. I knew it was something unhealthy that I was doing. I was eating far too much sugar. And then I realised, do you know what? I don't actually want to eat as much sugar. And it was through that I realised how addictive it was, and really got quite passionate about trying to find sugar alternatives. Obviously I loved making sweets and chocolates because that's what I loved eating. I think it was really great being on the innovation programme and being surrounded by people in the same situation as you. Definitely for me, when I started the programme, I knew I just had this idea and I was working at my kitchen, and being next to people who had amazing ideas for the oil or apps. I definitely felt like the silly little girl who was just cooking in her kitchen, but hearing that they're sort of in the same position as you, they're definitely going on the same journey and they're having the same struggles. My business is life, as you would say, and everything's up and running, and I do this as a full-time career now, which you would never have thought of coming out of fourth year uni doing public relations, that this is where I would be. So I think the next steps for me is really growing my business online and get a sort of backing there that people are interested in my product, that they like it, and it's something the market's looking for.